Hey y'all, and welcome back to Living Gratefully. Today we're making pretzel treats and celebrating Papa's birthday. But first, I'm showing a few pictures from our dinner on Friday night with the kids. I forgot to get pictures and video of us enjoying our dinner together, but this is all the yummy food we had, and we joked about how many different kinds of mustard we had in the fridge. And then we made funfetti cookies, and watch some TV together. I wanted to share these funfetti cookies because I used to make them a long time ago and was craving them, so as soon as I saw them in the grocery store, I had to grab them. It comes with the box mix, and then you get the icing too. I went to the Pillsbury website and grabbed the recipe. I think it used to be on the box, but of course everything is online now, and these were so yummy, so I had to share.
To change your mind, for love or pity, let me know, not now, 'cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that?
Next up, we made some pretzel treats to take to Danville for all of the March and April birthdays. I've talked about these yummy, salty, and sweet pretzel treats before, but just in case you missed it, you start with pretzels lined up on a baking sheet.
What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me?
And then when that's all ready, you add a chocolate disc to each pretzel. You can use chocolate discs, white chocolate ones, the different colors of the white chocolate if you want to do a batch for a tailgate or a baby shower. And then they even have salted caramel flavored discs and Oreo flavored, like cookies and cream. So they have a lot of choices out there. I used to have to go to Michael's to get these discs. I've been making these treats for over 15 years, and I used to could only find them at Michael's, but now you can pick them up at Walmart. And just be careful not to get them on a hot day and leave them in your car because they'll melt on you. Then you pop that in the oven at 350 for 3 minutes. This melts the chocolate, but you have to work quickly when it comes out, so make sure you get your topping ready. Today we're using M&Ms, but you can use another pretzel on top, a Rolo candy, a pecan, really anything that'll press the chocolate into the pretzel. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you've ever made these and what kind of combination is your favorite. Also, feel free to leave me a comment if you have any tips to share with us. And everyone watching, if you guys haven't been reading comments on videos, you are missing out on some amazing information. I'm surprised at what I can learn from reading comments on my videos and on other channels' videos. People want to share their tips and encouragement with others, and I'm so grateful for that. And it's one of the reasons I love this platform so much. I'm thankful for my subscribers and for everyone who leaves comments for us on my videos and on other channels too, because I learn a lot from them. So thank you guys for leaving comments. I'm so grateful for you.
Listen to the midnight radio.
Right here, I'm getting my other pan of pretzels ready while the other pan is in the oven. I carefully press the M&M into the chocolate, and you can see it kind of smushes everything together, and it'll cool like that, and that way it'll be stuck together. Work fast, and you'll see in the next clip we use peanut M&Ms on that batch, and Scott comes to the kitchen to help. It's always good to have an extra hand in the kitchen because everything goes faster. Thanks, baby, for always helping me.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you.
Could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is see-through? Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe everything is see-through? You see through. Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your rearview mirror. It must be nice you went and got a penthouse. All your friends partying is real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest. Still a baby bird right straight off the nest like you. Could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is see-through? Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe everything is see-through? Oh, you said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. Oh, you said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They how can I believe you when everything is see-through?
How can I believe
Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through.
So we made a few bags of goodies here for the March and April birthdays that we aren't celebrating today, and they each got a card with an Amazon gift card. Everyone likes that, right? And we wanted to go ahead and give it to them early in case we don't see them until after their birthday. And then next we'll celebrate Papa by going out to lunch and doing a little shopping together. We were so blessed with a beautiful day to go out and about. And we had some yummy sandwiches at a local Italian restaurant, and I just had to show you the delicious and fresh salad bar.
The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin. Beginning to thaw from within.
We found a few things at Dunham's Sporting Goods, but I didn't film in there or take any pictures. That's where we purchased my treadmill. If you know, you know. And I'll have the link to Dunham's in the description box if you want to check it out. Speaking of my treadmill, I will have a video all about that, so be sure you're subscribed with your notification bell turned on. And we also found a few things at Leggett Town and Country. I'll have that link in the description box as well.
To see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a rise. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today, not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to
Okay, y'all, that's it for today's video. Let me know if you've ever made the pretzel treats, what you're using as your topping, or if you've made or are gonna make the funfetti cookies. And I'll see you next week in another Living Gratefully video. Bye!